So this is the first small cabin that we'll be featuring in our channel. But when I say small, it's a livable space, it's a beautiful space, and technically you could have a home like this in the city, but let's face it, you cannot replicate this vibe in the city, and you'll see why in a bit, because I was pleasantly surprised. Wait to show you guys this house. Excuse me, let me park first. Right, there we go. Because this is such a beautiful house and lot. So from your main gate, you have here this clearing where you can park about 8 vehicles, including parking them inside your carport, which is covered and open. So let's follow this path. Immediately from here, you can see all of the trees. Ang gandang wall nitong bamboo. And then you can tell that this is a colder area because of the trees that are actually planted in here. And there's gonna be a lot more later. Just wait. Okay, so here in the carport, first thing you'll notice is the ceiling. So it slopes. It's higher there than it is over there. But everything is nice and open and the breeze just goes through, it funnels through. So it's nice and fresco. The parts where the cars will actually park is textured. So you have this pattern, it's got texture, and then this area is also textured, but it's finer. And then at the end, mas smooth na yung mga tiles, and they actually used it as an outdoor gym. Love the idea. Then you've got storage over there. Perfect. And again, the walls are lined with plants, or your perimeter walls, sorry, are lined with plants, and that just makes it look so, it's like you're one with nature, but technically wall siya, no? So you're nice and protected still. Okay, so here you have access to the side and to the back, but we're not gonna go through that path. It's just, it's nice to know that the tanks are there and what have you. And then, this is the main entrance. Ideally, we'd want to leave our shoes here, but pero for today's video, hindi. Okay. Hello!
Hi, Julia!
Hi, Colleen! Hi guys, this is Colleen. Of course, she's one of our Presello ladies. And what do you have to share with the Presello fam today?
Hi, this one is a house, a vacation house located in Silang,
Silang, Cavite.
Silang, Cavite.
Near Tagaytay.
Near Tagaytay.
Yeah.
So, I can't wait for you to tour and see the beautiful view with the amazing greeneries of Tagaytay and Palace of the Sky.
Oh, yeah. Palace of the Sky.
Yeah.
So this is really, really near Tagaytay. The fact that,
yes.
okay. So it looks like we have a view to look forward to.
Yes.
Actually, mauna ka na dun.
Yes.
So I will see
I will
you.
be waiting for you there.
Yes,
Yeah.
please. So looks like there's a deck out there. Chill ka muna dun. I'll see you later.
Okay.
Thank you, Colleen. Okay, it looks like we have something to look forward to. So, anyhow, though, once you enter, this is immediately what you'll see. It's your living spaces. So your living, dining, and your kitchen. And also, the first thing that draws my eyes is the ceiling. So you see the shape of your roof, your ceiling line follows. You see wood finishes and then cement-like finishes. And then on either side, you have red brick. This is probably, it might be faux finishing, but it feels like, I'm not quite sure what this is made of exactly. Pero the goal obviously is for it to look like red bricks. In other words, very industrial yung peg niya. But if you look at, for example, the beam, look at the edges, it's actually rounded. So it doesn't feel harsh. Like it's industrial, but it still feels very soft in a way, very warm. Like it doesn't feel cold at all. Which is a nice contrast to the weather, by the way, because again, this being in Silang, Cavite, it's actually quite cool. Okay, so your living area and your dining area, perfect place to hang out in for your family to just chill out and have conversations. And then, of course, your kitchen. Again, perfect place to do that. So you have a bar where you can converse to people while you're cooking. There's one step up, by the way, going to the kitchen. That's why it might seem taller. Speaking of tall, again, high ceiling naman siya, so it doesn't feel like you're gonna bump into anything except for this, I guess, but you're not gonna headbutt the lamp, right? You have a U-shaped counter. You have your space for your stove. This is your sink, and then of course your ref. Lots of storage space. You have a cupboard over here, and then you can even put stuff up there. There are 3 ceiling fans here, so this is actually, it's very effective. Like, it just circulates the air here, makes it feel nice and fresh. Pero kasi malamig na dito eh, so like, you don't really need more. May AC ba? Wala, no? Wala. Hindi na kailangan eh. Okay, so over here you have a powder room. You have your sink, your toilet, and then some storage. Now this is perfect for the guests since it's right next to the kitchen and anyone can access it basically. And then over here, we have bedroom number 1. Okay, so ito may aircon. In case you want to use the aircon. But I feel like, well, at least for me personally, kasi medyo ginawin ako eh, I would just open the windows and just sleep in this temperature. This is nice. But I suppose if you had more people in here, I mean, as you can see, you can fit 2 beds at least. You can probably turn on the AC. But it's still high ceiling, so it's not really gonna get that hot, even if you have 3 people here. But it might it might get hot if someone were to take a shower, like a really, really hot shower, tapos lumabas yung steam, maybe. But speaking of, you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your enclosed shower space, your toilet, and your sink. Even the bathroom, I think, is, yeah, it's higher than the standard height. Mas mataas yung ceiling ng bedroom, but this is still pretty high. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1, and there's gonna be another one. So obviously there's a deck over there. Nandun na si Coley kumakain. But before anything else, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. This is yet another beautiful house and lot here in Silang, Cavite. And if you want to see more of our listings, make sure you check out our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. So across your living space, we have another door na nakabukas na. And this is bedroom number 2. So the ceiling here is actually lower, and I love that. I really do. Because for those of you who want lower ceilings when it comes to their bedrooms, this is the answer. Doon sa gusto na mas mataas yung ceiling, sa kabila. And there really is a preference for that. Actually, you know what? Comment down below what kind of room you prefer for your bedroom specifically. Kasi pag living areas, maganda na high ceiling eh. Pero pag bedroom, sometimes it's nice when it's lower. So this bedroom, lots of space, also has more space over here through the walk-through closet, which will lead you to your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and shower space. So you could almost, for me, it's hard to decipher which one talaga is the master bedroom, especially since this is the one with a walk-through closet. Yung isa wala eh, diba? But it's bigger. So again, it's a preference thing na lang talaga. Which one do you prefer? Ikaw dyan, ano mas gusto mo?
Go over.
Ito? Ako rin. I actually really like this one. Pero cool yung isa kung may mga overnights. Okay. So, obviously this room also has access to the deck. So you can go out from here or from the dining area. And hi Colleen, chill ka lang dyan. So now this is what Colleen was talking about earlier. You have a gorgeous, gorgeous view right from your backyard. You have a view of Palace in the Sky, you have a view of the rice fields. Actually, I think this used to be a coffee farm, and I believe the coffee is still in the soil. Kind of wish I could smell it. Pero kasi umuulan, so naamoy ko lang talaga yung ulan, which is also really, really nice. So out there in the back, you have a staff room. That's also where the laundry area is, as well as the dirty kitchen. That beautiful structure that you're seeing over there, that is a fire pit. So if ever the nights are super cold, and it can get really cold out here, especially during the December, January, February, you can light up a bonfire over there and spend time with your family and friends, warming yourselves up, eating some marshmallows, making s'mores. And then you have an infinity pool out here for the warmer days of the year. And still, you have a view of that. Imagine mo maulan ngayon, so there's natural fog, but the view looks like a painting still. Ang galing. Ang ganda rin ng landscaping because all you see here are trees, probably because that's a side without a view. But then the side with a view, ang ganda ng pag-frame nung mga halaman. I love that. So obviously this is a cabin, right? So the house itself is a lot smaller than the lot itself, which is something that you can't really do in the city. Alright, so I'm gonna join Colleen now for our rice coffee.
Rice coffee, yeah.
And not sponsored, by the way. Baka magmukha sponsored eh. But yeah, I'm gonna talk numbers first. So you have 275 square meters of floor area. That's basically just this cabin. And then 2,244 square meters of lot area. Oh, and 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, 1 powder room, and an area big enough to fit 8 vehicles. So that is all of this open space that you're seeing. So what do you, ano yung nagustuhan mo about this house and lot?
Actually,
This property.
what I love about this house is that it has an indoor-outdoor vibe
It does.
that a family and with their loved ones can enjoy.
Gandang rest house.
Yes, it's a beautiful rest house with a nice weather and with a nice view also. So it's very private. You can relax on a weekend. It could be also a retirement home, and it's just really perfect for relaxing and if you're looking for a calm place
To get
to
away
live
from the
in.
city.
Yeah.
I agree. Actually, it does feel very far removed from the city. Yun nga. Rest house, basically. No? Na may view na. And since you're just, since malapit ka na sa Tagaytay, malapit din naman na yung mga like, grocery, etc., what have you, restaurants. But this is really about enjoying this peace by yourself.
Yes.
It's so peaceful.
Yeah. You also have an infinity pool
To enjoy.
where if you have kids, which they can enjoy also. And just enjoy the place.
Yeah. Once you have your groceries in, you stay here,
Yeah.
enjoy the place. Pet friendly too. Your pets can run free.
Yes. With the massive lot space.
Yeah. And if ever, if you're gonna use it as a rest house for the rest of the year that you're not living here, you can have it rented out.
Yes.
Because I'm pretty sure a lot of people would want the chance to live or like pretend to live here
Yes.
for a few days. But you have the opportunity to actually live here for the rest of your days. So if you do, make sure you contact Colleen, and especially if you want to see the rest of the listings here in Silang, Cavite. So make sure there's gonna be a number here somewhere. Make sure you contact this number if you want to give us a call or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future.
Invest with us.
Invest with Presello. See you in the next one. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,